Today, we're going to bring a Droid tablet. We're going to take a look at it and see what's included. But first of all, let's go in the exterior of it, first of all. Multiple colors. This is a rose gold. They do have a camera, of course, in the front and in the back. So there's two-way cameras. We're going to take a look at it. There's one right here. And of course, like I said, they're pointing out the back one. Now, this one is very light, portable. It'll last for many hours, and it does have volume control, power button, and a Type-C connection to power it up, and also speakers right underneath of it. All right. This is really solid, really strong. You can use this for multiple tasking. You can play games. You can work on it. You could do your Zoom calls. You can do pretty much anything you want on this, and the quality is pretty good as it is. And then we're going to compare it with an actual iPad, the size of it. Now, this is a comparison of an iPad, right? And look at the size of it, right? It's a little smaller, but you're paying a big difference. This is a fraction of a cost compared to an iPad. So the best thing about this is that you could do a lot of your same tasks that you do. Now, most of the people like to surf the internet and watch YouTube. This is what is perfect for those kind of things in there. But it has a kick. It's pretty strong too. We're going to take a look at some of the features you can do. You can also even play games on it. So let's take a look at it and see what you can do. All right, we're going to pair our Xbox controller. So we're going to turn it on. With the Xbox controller, you could take this on the go. Look at that. I messed up on that one. We're going to try again. And then spin it. Let it go. Let it go. Oh, no. So you can set it up on your Droid. Very simple. All right, those that want to watch their favorite YouTube, look at the tablet. So you can make it full screen. Let's skip this. And I'm going to put the audio down. But this is one of my things I like to do. I like to watch YouTube on the tablet, just relax at home. This is going to it's going to last for a long time running the actual YouTube channel. Pretty much, you can do a lot of features. We could do a Zoom calls.
There's a little video on it. I 3D printed this, so I'm just demonstrating you how the quality of the video is. It's a little bright in this. We're indoors right now, but it's a lot brighter outdoors too. So very simple to take the video with the camera. Doesn't take any space or time. I mean, it's very quick and it compresses the file very neat.